Hi, everybody. It's Dana from the Monroe County Public Library. And I'm going to read a couple of books to you today, and I'm even going to show you my puppet. It's a little ladybug. Are you ready? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hi, everybody. Well, I thought a really fun thing for us to talk about today would be camping. Yeah, and I'm going to start with this book. It's called Maisy Goes Camping. Do you know Maisie? She's a little mouse. There she is, right there, a little white mouse. Maisy Goes Camping. One day, Maisie decided to go camping. And there she is. Can you see what she has on her back? Yeah, she has a backpack and maybe a bedroll and a walking stick. And she's going into the forest. And her friends came along. They found the perfect place to camp. Oh, look at that. Looks like they maybe found a nice flat part of the ground. What do you think they're going to do? Maybe they need to find a place to sleep. That's right. They're going to pitch a tent. Well, pitching a tent is not easy, but everyone worked together. Yeah, it's like they're building a little house. Oh no, the tent fell down. So they tried again and again until the tent stayed up. Good job, everybody. Yeah, looks like they put some stakes in the ground. Right there. Holds it down and keeps the tent from falling over, doesn't it? Well, that night, they sang around the campfire, and then it was time for bed. Do you know some camp songs? Yeah, maybe? Cyril went in first with his flashlight. There's one in the tent. Well, next came Charlie. Uh-oh, watch the pegs. There are two in the tent. Look at that. There must be some light in the tent. What do you think? Do you think there's some light in the tent? Yeah, you can see Cyril in there. Then it was Tallulah's turn. There were 3 in the tent. Make room for Maisie. There are 4 in the tent. Do you think that tent is big enough for all of them? Let's find out. Oh boy, what do we have here? Is there room for one more? Come on, Eddie. He's got his pajamas on, doesn't he? Oh no. 5 in the, what a squash, what a squeeze. What a squeezy squish squash. Uh-oh. Things look like they're getting a little crazy in that tent, don't they? What do you think is going to happen? I think it worked out. 5 in the tent. These are good campers. Uh-oh. Pop. Out came Cyril. Pop. Out came Tallulah. Pop. Out came Charlie. Pop. Out came Maisie. Maybe it wasn't big enough after all. One in the tent and 4 under the stars. Sleep tight, campers. They didn't fit in there after all, did they? I don't think so. Oh, and there's our owl. Hoot, hoot. Well, I told you that I have a puppet with me. And it is a ladybug. Look at that. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. And I have a rhyme that goes along with this ladybug. Are you ready? Here we go. Ladybug, ladybug, sitting in the tree. Fly right down and land on me. Let's go ahead and count your spots. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 7 polka dots. Yeah, so we counted by twos. So 2, 4, 6. There's my thumb right there. And 7. So let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, that's right. And that is my ladybug. Oh, look. She has a nice little face, doesn't she? Hello. Hello, ladybug. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Should we do that again? Let's try it again. Ladybug, ladybug, sitting in the tree. Fly right down and land on me. Let's count your spots. 2, 4, 6, 7 polka dots. Bzz. Yeah, and I have a ladybug because if you go camping, a lot of times you'll see some bugs, and you might see a ladybug, and you might see some crickets. You might see a spider. You might see a pill bug. That's what I call them. They're the little bugs that roll up, but they're all doing their part out there in nature. Some of them make noise. They sing, kind of like the cicadas right now. They sing. Yeah, and some of them are very quiet. Spiders are very quiet. Well, this book is called The Camping Trip. The Camping Trip. My Aunt Jackie invited me to go camping with her and my cousin Samantha this weekend. And my dad said yes. I've never been camping before, but I know I will love it. Wow, look at all that stuff. It's a lot of stuff, isn't it? I got a sleeping bag, a new flashlight, and Dad and I made some trail mix just for camping. Aunt Jackie sent a list of things to pack. Sneakers, hat, flashlight, water bottle, backpack, pajamas, towel, camera, socks, bandages, swimsuit, shorts, underwear. The list just keeps going on and on and on. You see all that stuff in there? Yeah, she's got a lot of stuff. I'm not sure if it's all going to fit. I'm ready. And then I wait and wait. Finally, they're here. Hi, Aunt Jackie. Hi, Samantha. Well, hello, Ernestine, says Aunt Jackie. Bye, Dad. Love you, E, says Dad. I hope Dad doesn't miss me too much. Do you think her dad's going to miss her? He probably will. Wow, look. Look at that long road. It's a long drive to Cedar Tree Campground. Yeah, look at that. We look at comic books, we play Cat's Cradle, we stare out the window, and we sing along with the radio. So they have to leave the city to go out into the wilderness. Oh, and look how beautiful that is. There's a lake, trees, a canoe. Looks very peaceful. Finally, we're here. It's so quiet and big. It smells like trees and fire and dirt. You need a lot of stuff to go camping, so it takes a long time to unpack. Samantha and I decide to set up the tent, and I build forts all the time at home, so this should be pretty easy. It's not one bit easy. I'm sweating. Me too. Let's go swimming. I love swimming at the Y. I can touch the bottom of the pool. She's getting her bathing suit on. There are fish in here. Don't worry, Ernestine. The fish won't bite you, I promise. Says Ernestine. That's okay. I'll watch you swim. Let's go on a hike. When Samantha is finally done swimming, we eat lunch. Ooh, I love to hike. My dad says hiking is just like walking, but in nature instead of in the city. And I walk to school every day. Yeah, I walk to school every day. Here's what I need to go hiking. A backpack, hat, sunglasses, whistle, camera, water bottle, sunblock, granola bar, trail mix, apple raisins, leftover chips, cheese sticks, peanut butter, crackers, cookies, bandages. And I need Foxy. There are a lot more hills here than on my way to school. My feet are tired already. Maybe I brought too much stuff. I think I need a water break. When we finally stop, I eat a lot, so my backpack will be lighter on the way back. That seems like a good plan, doesn't it? This is the biggest tree I've ever seen. It's huge. Is that a slug? It's a banana slug. There's so much to explore. Oh boy, looks like she's getting into it now. Yeah. It's way easier to hike downhill. And when we get back to the campsite, Samantha and I set up campfire. Ooh, tofu hot dogs and broccoli salad. Those are my favorites. Tofu hot dogs are not my favorite, but I'm really hungry. This broccoli salad is so good. Wait till you try s'mores. They are delicious. Well, maybe she will like s'mores. Oh, this is what you need for a s'more. Marshmallows, graham crackers, chocolate, and a marshmallow roasting stick. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Mine is perfect. Uh-oh, mine's on fire! Well, that's okay, you can make another one. Well, when your marshmallow is roasted, then you make a sandwich. You take a graham cracker and you put a marshmallow on top of the chocolate and another graham cracker and you put them together. And then you eat it. S'mores are scrumptious. Oh, before we know it, night is all around us. Look at that, they're getting into their tent. I crawl into my sleeping bag and we read with the light from Aunt Jackie's lantern until she says it's time to go to sleep. Good night, girls. Good night. Good night, Mom. Good night, Ernestine. Uh-oh. How do you think Ernestine feels about that? Looks like she might be a little nervous. 2 seconds later, Aunt Jackie and Samantha are snoring. But I can't sleep. I'm boiling. Where's my Foxy? I'm freezing. I need to get my socks off. Where's my water bottle? Is anybody else awake? Uh-oh. Is Dad awake? I think she's having a little trouble right now, isn't she? Maybe so. She's never been camping. Aunt Jackie, can I call Dad? Aunt Jackie? Aunt Jackie? Well, Jackie lets me use her phone. But there's no reception. I can't get through. I want to go home. Oh, let's go out and look at the stars. Don't be scared, Ernestine. It's really dark. Oh, but look at that. Look at that. All those beautiful stars. Make a wish, girls. Wow, look at that shooting star. I think I'm ready to go back to sleep now, Aunt Jackie. When I wake up in the morning, the tent is warm and bright. Aunt Jackie and Samantha are already eating breakfast. These are the best pancakes ever. Want to swim? Last chance. Okay. We can hold hands and jump in together. That should scare away the fish. Jump! We swim and swim. Race you. Okay, and swim. Time to pack. The fish don't bite. They don't bite me once. Packing up is even harder than unpacking. Oh boy, they got to break down the tent, roll up their sleeping bags, pack up the car. When we finally get ourselves in the car, it takes all three of us to close the back. Goodbye, cedar trees. Goodbye, campground. I can't wait to come back next year. Me too. So I think she ended up liking camping, didn't she? Yep. And they go all the way back home. We stare out the windows. We eat the rest of the trail mix. We stare out the window some more. Hi, Dad. Bye, Samantha. Thank you. Thank you, Aunt Jackie. I had the best time. Maybe we can have a sleepover next weekend. I think my dad missed me. Hey, Dad. Have you ever tried s'mores? And that was called the camping trip. Sometimes it can be a little scary to go camping for the first time, but it can also be very beautiful and very peaceful and very fun to sing camp songs and have lots of fun outside. All right, well, that is everything that I have for you today. So I'm going to sing the goodbye song. Are you ready to sing it with me? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, and stay safe and healthy out there.